Y'all, today we have a dog who tries to fight a shark. So I guess these individuals or these people are on some type of boat tour and they see a shark. They spot a shark and, the guide says, yeah, that's a 12-foot hammerhead. And guess what we see off in the distance? A dog who jumps off of a dock to try to fight this shark. Luckily, it was a hammerhead because supposedly hammerhead sharks aren't that violent or that vicious in comparison to great white sharks or other types of sharks. So yeah, everybody's screaming, "Oh my God!" But turns out the dog is A-OK, Buddy Fearless.